This whole thing should be ran by a Raspberry Pi and save taxpayers some money. Let me tell you why it isn't. First, let me put this intersection into flash so I can swap out this controller here. Let's go ahead and rip out all of these cables from the controller so we can put in our new one. All right, while we wait for all this to upload to this new controller and this intersection will run like it should, let's talk a little bit about redundancy. I wouldn't say you couldn't run an intersection with just any kind of Android device, but here's the reason why we don't. Everything inside this cabinet has some kind of fail-safe. If you had this light turn green and this light was green at the same time, well, this conflict monitor would pick that up and recognize it and instantly turn the intersection into flash like it is now, so nobody gets hurt. It would cost a lot of money being held accountable for an accident that happened at an intersection because you decided to run one with an iPhone. And who do you think they go after when somebody is severely injured or even killed at an intersection? That's right, these intersections are owned by your local and your state government. And then who do you think funds your local and state government? One fatality will cost more than this entire intersection just because you decided to run it with some bullshit device. So yes, this equipment is not as cheap as your Android device, and I wouldn't want it to be. And to be real, this cabinet without detection only costs about the same as 10 iPhones. And you can't really put a price on safety. Thanks for watching.